up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I took a few weeks off, sort of like a mental health break, just sort of get my head together and figure out, YouTube and stuff. But I'm back now and I'm feeling good, and I wanted to sit down and do my go-to everyday makeup look. Now, this is just something that I pop on if I'm going to the shops, if I feel like doing a little bit of makeup, looking undead, alive, if you will. So I'm just gonna share that with you today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, would be much appreciated. And yeah, let's just get on into it. Okay, so the first thing I start with on a day like today is primer, and I'll do my base first because I'm not doing heavy eyeshadow. So I'll do my base first. I'm not worried about fallout. If you're wondering why I kind of look crazy, like I've been crying or something, I promise I haven't. I just filmed a video for my TikTok and I love the results, so I will leave that linked down below. Go check out my TikTok. For primer today, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This stuff is amazing. You just need the tiniest bit and it goes such a long way. I mostly use it in the places where I have bigger pores because it really smooths them out. Oh, my cat has decided to join me. Look at him. He goes a bit crazy at nighttime. I don't know why. I have so much glitter on my face from the look I just did. It's crazy. I just cannot get it off. So for my face today, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics CC cream. Now, I love using this one. I know it's a bit more pricey, but it's got the SPF 50 in it, which I love. Gotta have that sun protection, Otherwise, a good alternative to that is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. Now, I don't believe this one has any SPF in it, but it is so good. It's an affordable price and it does pretty much the same job. Just put a moisturizer underneath, you'll be good. But today we're going in with the IT Cosmetics. Now, this one is a little bit too dark for me. I got this in the shade Light Medium. And what I'm going to do is just pump a little bit, 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And most of the time I'll just go in with my fingers, but today I don't feel like doing that. So we're going to get a sponge. I'm just going to dab it all over my face, down my neck, and just pick up the rest of whatever's on my hand on my sponge and just start blending. So how have you guys been? It feels like it's been such a long time since I filmed anything, and I'm sorry that I just left unannounced. I didn't really tell anyone I was disappearing, did I? I just sort of left. But it was needed. I needed to get off social media for a little bit, or not social media in general, just like YouTube. Reevaluate my channel a little bit, because I feel like I rushed into starting my channel. If you are new here, I only just started my channel last year. And while it has been a dream of mine to start a YouTube channel for the longest time, I'm thinking it's been like 4 years now, 2021. It's been like 4 years now since I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know, I guess I was just so keen to get into it that I didn't really think about it. Like content I'd post, like obviously makeup. That is what I love to do. I have got a little moustache happening. It's fine. Obviously makeup is what I wanted to do. It's what I'm passionate about, but I didn't really think about videos that I wanted to post in terms of makeup. And I want to do, hauls as well. And it just, I don't know. I started at a bad time. So I'm hoping now I'm back. Oh, the concealer I'm using is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's like $16 or $8 or something from Kmart, bargain. Just putting some here and here. Now, if you're not chatty like me, this look will probably take you a total of like 10 minutes. But I'm a chatterbox right now. But yeah, I don't know, I just felt like I needed to take a step back and really think about where I wanted my channel to go, because this, for me, I want it to be a career. I am not gonna, beat around the bush. I'm not gonna sit here and feed you a load of garbage about how like It's just a hobby. I genuinely want to make something of this. Like, that's my goal, is to become a full-time YouTuber eventually. I don't currently work because I am a mum. I have 2 children and one of them is only 1 year old, so I'm not ready to put him into daycare just yet. But even if I did, it'd only be for a couple of days a week, so you know. Okay, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Light Fair to set my under eyes and go all over my face. This powder is so yellow for me, but you know, it is what it is. This used to be an all-time favorite of mine and I recently picked it up again when it was on sale. Like I think Boxing Day sales or something like that, and I love it. A lot of people don't set their face anymore, but I don't know. I'm not there yet. I have to set my face. Yeah, as I was saying, I just, needed to take a step back from YouTube and figure out exactly what I wanted to post, a schedule, because I came on, oh, I just made my foundation go a bit splotchy, my bad. I came on last year and basically said, okay, I'm gonna go in with this giant fluffy brush to set my face. So I basically came on sometime like a few weeks ago and said that I was going to be on a schedule for like 3 days a week. I was going to film, and then it just didn't happen. Things got in the way, life got in the way, children, you know, so that didn't happen. But I'm just going to post when I can post, and I hope everyone's okay with that. It will be sort of a schedule. Like, I'm not just gonna post once a month. I'm gonna post, you know, hopefully twice a week, but we'll see. Brows, really simple. Anastasia Brow Wiz. I don't fill it in super neat. I just sort of go in, shape it a little bit, and fill in where it sort of needs filling in, but I don't go in too much. I don't want a super defined brow for this, you know? That's literally it. Just brush it out a little bit. And then I just lock it in place with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in medium brown. Okay, bronzing up the face a little bit. This is the NARS bronzer in Seaside, and I take that on a massive fluffy brush and I just go all over the face to bronze it up a little bit. I'm so bad at talking while I'm doing my makeup. I apologize. This was meant to be like a chit-chat video. That's what I had envisioned, but I am terrible at talking when I'm doing my makeup. I get so focused on, doing my makeup that I completely forget to talk, and it just ends up being a silent video that I have to edit so much because I just don't talk. And so it's just so like cut, you know what I mean? Okay, for blush today, I'm going in with, this is a Trio Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush Authority Cheek Wardrobe. What a mouthful. And this is in the shade, I'm going in with Sweet Cheeks, which is this peachy shade right here. And I go on, this is a very fluffy brush, so I just dip into that and then I apply my blush up here to make it appear a bit more lifted. And I don't apply too much because I don't want too much on my skin, just a little bit on my nose. That's literally it. And then I'll just go in with a little bit of my highlighter, which is Frosted Frappe. It's like a peachy highlight. It's very beautiful. Again, I don't want much of a glow because this is just an everyday quick makeup look. Okay, that's face literally done. So quick. Next I move on to my eyes, and for eyes I don't do too much. I go in with the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. It's just an all neutral palette. I love it. It's just all warm tone and neutral, and I just, if I can find a brush, I pick up a fluffy brush like this. I just pick up a little bit of this shade right here called Complicated, and I just put that in the crease. I should probably get those creases out of my eyelids before I go in. Going in, I just blend that in the crease in the outer corner of my eye. It just gives a little bit of depth and dimension to my eye without being too much. And it's only one shade, you know? And you can darken this up by adding extra layers, or you can keep it light and simple. Just do whatever's left over. I just go over my lid. Crease, done, bam. Then I will pick up a flat brush, just a small flat brush, and I'll go into a shimmery shade. And I'm going in with this one here today called The Talk, which is like a champagne shimmery shade. It's just light, and I just go over my lid with that lightly. That just adds a little bit of extra color without being too much. Next I'll pick up a small eyeliner brush like this, and I'll go in with this shade here called Taboo, and I use that as like a liner, and I just go over the edge of my eye. And if that's not dark enough, I go in with a bit more of a darker brown. If you want, you can go on the lower lash line with a little bit of something. I don't always. I'm not going to today because I just like how fresh my eyes look at the moment. Mascara today, I'm going in with Maybelline The Lash Lift Falsies Effect. Oh, sorry, the Falsies Lash Lift. That just lifts my lashes a bit, or brightens my eyes a little bit more. Then I'll go in with just a little bit of lip liner, and this is the Marc Jacobs Nudist lip liner. I just fill my lips in with that, and then I'll go on top with a gloss, and this is just the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and it doesn't have a name, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be sort of like a plumping gloss, I guess. Then I'll just set that all in place with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed that look. It was quick, simple. If I'm not chatting, I can do this in like 10 minutes. It's so easy, so simple, and still looks really cute. So yeah, that's all today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.